Dear student, in this topic we will discuss about lubrication of bearing. The purpose of lubrication in anti-friction bearing is to reduce the friction between balls and races. The other objectives are dissipation of frictional heat, prevention of corrosion, and protection of bearing from dirt and other foreign particles. There are two types of lubricants, that is oil and grease. The advantages of oil are as follows. It is more effective in carrying frictional heat. It feeds more easily into contact areas of the bearing under load. It is more effective in flushing out dirt, corrosion, and foreign particles from the bearing. The advantages offered by grease lubricated bearings are simple housing design, less maintenance cost, better sealing against rust, and less possibility of leakage. The guidelines for selecting the lubricants are as follows. When the temperature is less than 100 degrees centigrade, grease is suitable, while lubricating oils are preferred for the applications where the temperature exceeds 100 degrees centigrade. Second, when the product of bore in mm and the speed in rpm is below 2 lakh, grease is suitable. For higher values, lubricating oils are recommended. Grease is suitable for low and moderate loads, while lubricating oils are used for heavy duty applications. If there is a central lubricating system which is required for the lubrication of the other parts, the same lubricating oil is used for the bearings, for example in case of gearboxes. The choice of lubricating oil is necessary for high speed, heavy load applications, while in remaining majority applications, grease offers the simplest and cheapest mode of lubrication. Thank you.